Countdown. Timer switch has 4 preset countdown times of 60, 40, 20, and 10 minutes. Automatic convenience. Timer automatically turns off lights or bath fans at the end of a designated time period. Outlet has automated control of lights, fans, and motor loads, reducing energy waste and lowering costs. Upgrade your switches. LED locator light glows when switch is off for easy location in the dark. Manual on/off paddle control. Visual LED indicator light will move to next lowest indicator as the timer counts down. Many supported load types. The 4-button timer switch controls most types of lighting and other load types like fans and motors. Supported lighting configurations: 0 to 800 VA E-Ballast, MLV, ELV, CFL, LED drivers, fluorescent or incandescent, 1/6 of a horsepower. Add style. Upgrade your switches and outlets with style and innovation. Comes with interchangeable face plates to match your decor. Add the perfect finishing touch to your home, delivering advanced features to enhance everyday life, while complementing any decor. Top reviews from the United States. Great bathroom fan timer. Set and forget. Have these in both bathrooms. Prevents fan from running all day after a shower. Press the 10, 20, 40, or 60 minutes set button, and every time you turn on the regular switch, the timer starts at the last selected time. You can also start the fan by pressing the time set button. The fan will then run for that amount of time. Installation is pretty straightforward. Fit into a normal size box pretty easily.